Part 2 of 2. Souls enable life to flow through the character. That is when and if the character is willing and able to listen to the soul. The ego's voice is louder, especially with immature soul companions. If Christ walks by someone or projects its energy onto a situation from afar, this is what transpires. It is that the character soul has an extremely powerful second soul as a backup. Think of a plugged-in charger. The person who is being blessed is receiving a full charge of Christ's energy. How could this do anything other than produce miraculous results? Remember, you will seldom know someone's situations and internal conflicts, but what you do know is that virtually everyone here desperately needs a good dose of Christ's energy to help their souls to strengthen and be less subservient to their egos. Ego blocks and questions every one of life's moves, but souls freely enable. Healing of the separation and all its myriad of symptoms automatically accompanies the strengthening of the soul. All suffering, with all emphasized, is the responsibility of the ego. There is no suffering in Christ. There is only wholeness. Each Christ in 2022 is promoting wholeness through soul growth. This is true and absolute healing. For those of you who aren't sure what you are being encouraged to do, this is it. Either consciously bless or allow the blessings to flow automatically and unconsciously. This power knows where it is needed, everywhere. Christ seeks to enhance, empower, and embolden smaller amounts of itself. The world is its oyster. With love, Rami. The 10 Powers of Christ. 1. The power to alter the course of another aspect of yourself. 2. The power to stop suffering. 3. The power to alleviate need. 4. The power to grant wishes and desires. 5. The power to enhance. 6. The power to change situations and outcomes. 7. The power to know and trust. 8. The power to explore. 9. The power to invest. 10. The power to manifest.